Hey everybody, Kevin here from HumboldtCraftworks. Welcome back to another episode of Woodworking with Mr. Kevin. And today, it's kind of a very short episode because we're giving away an end grain butcher block for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Right. This butcher block right here is 13 by 17 and a half. It's made of cherry and maple with walnut and sapele stripes. It's got 1-inch rubber feet on the bottom so it won't roll around on your tabletop or whatever. And I signed the back. And it says 1,000 subscriber winner. You can be a winner chicken dinner, and one of you lucky subscribers out there will win this. So in order to win this beautiful end grain butcher block, you have to go down in the comment section below, be a subscriber, and say, Mr. Kevin, pick me, I'm one of 1,000. I'll make you work for it a little bit. And as soon as we get over 100 people in the comment section, what we're gonna do is gonna use the Super Picker 5000. I'll videotape it live, and we'll pick somebody to win this end grain butcher block. Every 1,000, we're gonna give away something new.
Nice.
And I might start building stuff and giving it away to people. So stay tuned for that. Thank you everybody for subscribing to this channel. I really appreciate it. Thanks for putting up my silliness and my crazy edits. It's just me and only me. So there it is. Mr. Kevin, pick me. I'm one of 1,000. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment below. And I'm going to wax this up with a little bit of mineral spirits and my special bee cream. This is actually made in McKinleyville by J&L. They're out of business now, but this thing is full and it smells so good. Oh, man. Thanks everybody for subscribing and sharing and putting up with my silly nonsense and my crazy video edits. It's just me and me alone with the damn camera in my shop. You have an awesome day. Go outside and play. Hug somebody you love. Be safe out there, and I'll see you next time right here on Woodworking with Mr. Kevin. And that's me. Thanks, guys. You're awesome. Woo!
Subscribe now. Tupatu.